Guys, welcome to Eastern Model Bio. In this video, I will be talking about Kit Rysha, biography, wiki, age, career, social handle and net worth. If you are new here, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the new updates. Kit Rysha is an Italian-Filipino model, photographer, and Instagram star. She gained fame through her modeling career as a published model who has worked with Playboy magazine. Kit Rysha's beginning of a career in the modeling industry is not exactly known. As a model, she seems to focus on glamour and art genres. She began gaining fame as she was featured on the Playboy Plus in September 2018. By 2022, she has worked with Playboy magazines in various countries, including Italy, Mexico, and the Philippines. Aside from pursuing a career in modeling, she also expanded her portfolio as a photographer. According to her statement, being a photographer allows her to get a distinctive viewpoint in approaching photo shoots. Kit is also active on social media platforms to grow her online presence, especially on Instagram. She mostly shares her modeling content on this photo and video sharing social networking site. She has never dated anyone publicly nor rumored to date any person. She most likely prefers to keep her personal and dating life private. She is estimated to have accumulated around $100,000 to $1 million of net worth. She appears to earn most of her income through working as a model. Thanks for watching.